Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's sign. This reading is about your person current feelings and their intentions towards you for the month of March, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your person current feelings towards you. Taurus, your person current feelings towards you, your person current feelings towards you. Okay, Four of Swords. Your person current feelings towards you, Taurus. Nine of Swords under the deck. They're missing you so much. They're getting a lot of thoughts regarding you. They're unable to sleep at night times. They're crying over you. Definitely. They're missing you. They're crying for you. And they're in so much. I think their energy is anxiety, depression type of energy, and they're stalking on you on social media. Maybe they want to send some message to you. That's why they're stalking on you. So let's see their feelings. Five of Cups is here, first card. Your person current feelings towards you. So they're feeling very, very sad. They're feeling lonely. Maybe you are in separation with your person and they're feeling very, very sad for the separation. They're missing you. And they're stalking on you on social media because Page of Swords card is there. And the next card is Four of Swords energy. So they're not talking to you right now. You both are in no contact situation. They have some past hurts. Maybe they want to heal themselves before coming towards you, but they're thinking about you a lot. Even though they're doing meditation and healing, they're thinking about you a lot, and they're undergoing some meditation. They want to heal themselves because they are not ready for to take any action right now. They want to heal themselves. And they're in very so much pain. They're missing you literally because Five of Cups with Four of Swords energy. Silence. And Page of Pentacles. So your person want to send some apology message to you if they did wrong to you, and they want to send some text, whatever. They will send some message, and they're thinking about to send some message to you. And for some, children's also involved in this connection, pages. And for some, your person is immature. So right now you both are in separation. For some no contact situation, but your person thinking about to take action towards you, that is communication, some message. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see their intentions, then we will get more clarity. So for some they will take action very soon. For some it will take some time depending upon your situation. Basically, because this is general reading, everyone's situation is different from others, so it will take some time. Everyone's situation is differ from others. So under the deck, Five of Swords. Yeah, there are a lot of issues going between you and your person. They maybe backstabbed you, maybe cheated on you, lied to you. For some third party situation also, there are a lot of things going between you and your person, and but they want to send some apology message. So let's see their current intentions towards you. Lot of cards. Taurus, your person current intentions towards you. Your person current intentions towards you, Taurus. Lot of cards. Their current intentions towards you. Their current intentions towards you. Their current intentions towards you. Ace of Pentacles under the deck. They really want to offer long term commitment, and they're thinking about they want to be with you forever. This is long term marriage commitment. Yeah, Page of Pentacles. I think communication message is coming from your person, unexpected communication from your person, and I'm saying communication. I'm getting a lot of message regarding communication. So let's see their intentions. The Tower moment with Five of Cups. Definitely your person undergoing Tower moment. They're missing you. They're realizing your worth. Maybe for some your person have other problems in their life like career issues, family issues, whatever. Right now your person undergoing some Tower moment in their life. That's why maybe they're healing themselves. For some they're missing you so much, that's why they're undergoing this moment. They're realizing your worth. And Page of Wands. Maybe one person is younger than the other person in this connection, and one person is very good looking and attractive, and they want to communicate with you. Definitely they really want to send some message. Maybe they want to send some apology. And Seven of Pentacles. Maybe they're waiting for you to come back. Maybe they are waiting for your message or for your call. Seven of Pentacles, waiting mode. So when they're waiting for you but you will not making any call, then they will make a call towards you. Definitely they will call you. But right now your person may be waiting for the right time. Seven of Pentacles, waiting. Because right now they're undergoing some healing process. That's why they're taking their time to make call you or text you. But they will make a text or call. Maybe they're waiting for you for your call and text. So if they don't receive any call or text from your end, they will make a move. Definitely they will make a move, because right now your person may be patiently waiting for you and thinking about you, and definitely they will send some message to you. There is message coming soon, and they really want to offer stability and long-term commitment to this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see the outcome of the current situation from universe. Taurus, let's see the outcome. Page of Pentacles again. I think your person not expressing their true feelings to you, maybe in past, because your person may be at some crossroads. Two of Swords energy, they are indecisive about something, but Queen of Swords is here now. They want to give clarity to you. Maybe they want to express their true feelings to you, because Queen of Swords is straightforwarded in nature. Definitely there is some communication and with clarity is coming. Taurus. Five of Pentacles. I think you also missing them. You also feeling anxiety, but I think you are holding back this time, what I'm getting here, because there is no message, there is no communication. Maybe they ghosted you, maybe they disappeared without saying anything to you. Maybe that's why you may be hurt, that's why you are holding back this time. But there is communication is coming. But one person, maybe it could be you or your person, this is the mutual energies, but one person is holding back but missing the other person a lot, not showing the real feelings to the other person, because due to the past hurts, maybe in past they treated you as an option. That's why maybe you have so much love for your person but you are not showing. Yeah, but communication with clarity is coming. Right now your person at some crossroads. Yeah, you want to restore your balance within you, and you are taking your power back. Taurus, you are working on yourself, but communication with clarity is coming definitely. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Show the world the real you, and the energy is gaining momentum, looking at the bigger picture. So If you are hiding your emotions, you are feeling 4 of Pentacles. Don't do that. Show your emotions and express your feelings, and share your thoughts with your person. Okay, show the world the real you. This is the one message, and the energy is gaining momentum. Definitely there will be some communication is coming towards you if you are in no contact and separation. If you are not seeing, maybe because it is in 3D, definitely there will be some movement. And look at the bigger picture. Definitely there is something big is coming towards you. Maybe you are working hard towards your goals and career. Do be consistent and do hard work. Definitely there is something big is coming towards you, Taurus. Maybe you have started career and making more money, and there are some more ways maybe open to you in near future. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.